In 2026, the world reaches a tipping point. AI agents are no longer seen as supplementary tools, but as essential players in industries across the globe. AI agents are systems or programs designed to perform tasks independently by processing data, learning from patterns, and making decisions without human intervention. These agents have become integral to industries worldwide, automating processes, enhancing efficiency, and solving complex problems. Factories hum with efficiency as robots, powered by AI agents, replace assembly line workers. In offices, chatbots answer customer queries faster and better than ever before. While companies celebrate record profits, millions of workers ask themselves, where do we fit in this new world? By 2027, the gig economy, once a lifeline for displaced workers, collapses. Autonomous vehicles dominate the roads, replacing delivery drivers and rideshare workers. AI-powered platforms design content and perform tasks that once provided a steady income for freelancers. The impact is devastating. For millions, these jobs were the last thread connecting them to financial stability. Now that thread is gone. With incomes disappearing, poverty rates soar. Families struggle to make ends meet. Eviction notices pile up in doorways. Food banks see unprecedented lines, and communities fray under the weight of economic despair. Job opportunities for displaced workers are scarce. Many industries demand skills in coding or AI that only a privileged few can afford to learn. For the rest, the future seems bleak. Protests erupt around the globe. People demand answers from governments and corporations, accusing them of prioritizing profits over people. The question on everyone's lips: if machines take the work, what will happen to us? The world changes faster than anyone could have imagined, and humanity must decide how to face it. Pressed by a global crisis of staggering proportions, decision-makers race against time to act. Governments and companies launch massive programs to train workers for the AI economy. Truck drivers transition into drone operator roles. Factory workers shift to careers in maintaining robotics and programming. Creativity surges as artists and writers explore AI-enhanced tools. Universal basic income, once just an experiment, becomes a reality in pioneering countries. It provides a safety net, ensuring that even as automation replaces jobs, no one is left destitute. AI isn't the enemy, it becomes an ally. A new norm has emerged. Universal basic income has spread worldwide, enabling people to live securely while pursuing meaningful activities. Governments incentivize public service roles, creating jobs in education, healthcare, and climate action. The traditional 9-to-5 work week? A thing of the past. Companies embraced a shorter work week, improving mental health and spreading jobs more evenly. AI didn't just replace work, it redefined it. As we enter the 2040s, humanity transitioned to a post-work economy. AI handled most labor-intensive and repetitive tasks, while humans explore creativity, community, and purpose. New societal systems emerged to distribute AI-generated wealth. And most importantly, we redefine success, not by what we produced, but by how we lived. By the mid-21st century, the fear of AI-driven job disruption feels like a distant memory. Universal basic income alleviates financial stress. Education systems prepare people for a world where creativity and critical thinking mattered most. Communities flourish as people focus on what truly mattered: health, relationships, and innovation. Will humanity embrace this path? The answer remains uncertain. But one thing is clear: the world is changing quickly, and the choice is ours to make.